CaityB back in the building with another reaction video with MommaB. I'm going to be reacting to FEJOINT, OTO LOTO, which also dropped. OTO LOTO. Sounds weird. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, dropped not long ago, Feb 28th. Yeah, so I'm going to be reacting to that. So I'm pretty keen for that. I love Tongan jams as well, so can't wait to see what this one's like.
Just before we start, just want to apologise that we tried to get my sister-in-law, because she's Tongan, to help to either feature, in this reaction, but she's very adamant she doesn't want to. Try to get her to translate, just to help us out so that we know what we're listening to, but no. So we're just going to go by feels,
vibes,
I guess.
Feels, the clip.
Yeah.
I mean, the thumbnail of the clip looks good already, so yeah. We'll probably be listening to like Fangai Lupe by like that, like we just instantly loved the song.
Yeah.
Mind you, the words are quite similar to ours, so we hear something similar. I feel like I've never seen this in a Tongan clip before. Gonna be hearing this at a lot of Tongan events. I love the she looks so beautiful, man. I love the I've never seen anything like that before, like power.
No. Tongans are very, from my point of view, very elegant in dressing, for taurunga.
Yeah.
Very
anything, breath.
Even the ladies when they dress up to go to feeds and that. Very
upper class.
Yeah, they go that next level. They're
just this here and then
the shoes,
everything, man. From chain, diamonds, and I love that about them. They're like us. We're just like, we'll just put on this and this and
they're
they really dress up like it's formal or something.
Proud.
Like they're going to a ball.
Proud. Yeah. That's what I get from them. Proud. And I love the way they dance. Like
gracefully.
I've not seen one taurunga where they're, I don't know, but whether they're too rough or too.
And they're always proud when they dance it. They don't look like.
And it's not, and I don't know, maybe, but just let us know, comment down below. But it doesn't seem that they've modernised the taurunga, the Tongan dance. Yeah. Whereas you see in the Samoan dance, it's been modernised, and I'm more for the old school way of dancing. Another thing that I love about Tongans, that I admire about Tongans, even the young ones speak fluent Tongan. Fluent.
They're really fluent.
All I can say is to the Tongans, keep your culture alive, man, because I tell you, from us looking in, it's beautiful,
man. You guys might be sick of it, but just a breath of
be proud.
Yeah, it's a breath of fresh air.
Yeah, beautiful.
Getting goosebumps. Juices are nice, man. Not too hot. I love this. Never heard anything like it. Oh, I love that jump back in. Goosebumps.
Look at my
Oh, I got the meanest goosebumps, bro. Oh, you're making me cold just looking at you.
Need a hood.
Don't ever be that good, alright? Fucking hell, man.
Good goosebumps, I tell you. Yeah. Nice. I think it was snowing outside.
Hard out. It's snowing in here. Bro, that was beautiful, Mum. What do you think about
10. I love culture. Yeah, because it's sick of hearing
Tongan culture, man.
I love culture. I love Samoan culture.
But Tongan, seeing it from the outside was
I love Samoan culture because I know it. I know the culture. I know where I stand. Samoan, the Tongan ones, I tell you, man, I've been to that many funerals, weddings, 21st, that it just
always amazes us.
Just want to keep going. It's just beautiful.
And they're always lit as well in their things. Like even the aunties, the uncles, oh man.
The food on the table, no, we just go a step higher. Just go that more extra.
Stuff for you guys,
yeah, we build up.
Kolo and you.
Pigs on every table, oh man.
Pigs on top of each other.
Very rich country, I guess.
They're very giving as well, I reckon.
Very nice. I wish we understood the lyrics. I picked up on a few words of them. You know, there's ofa in there, mo'oni, so there's truth and love in there.
Would you rate it?
I give it a 10.
Give it a 10, okay.
I give it a 10 because we're all about that poly movement. Poly movement.
Yeah, I give it a 9. Sorry. Yeah, I give it a 9, yeah. It's just beautiful. I love the quality. The quality of it was amazing. I love the part where they branched off and did like some sort of custom, like chanting or something. Yeah, I love that. I love that. I've never seen anything like it, especially when the boys are dancing in the background behind her. Taulunga or something. I love the culture. Keep the culture, fam. I love the song. Tongan jams are just on top, man. Make sure you add these guys to your playlist. Hope you guys enjoyed our reaction. Yeah, I'll have them down in my description box below for you guys to check out. Check out their channels, their other music and social media for you guys. Again, hashtag poly movement, don't forget. Much love, stay safe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.